नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल Ankit Tech Classes. I am Ankit. I am presenting you a new tutorial video series that is React for beginners. So I am starting a new tutorial video series for developing the web application using a new JavaScript library that is React. So in this entire video series, we will focus on the ReactJS to building a web-based applications. So let's start. So what is a ReactJS? ReactJS basically a JavaScript library for creating a user interface. It is developed by the Facebook. It is also called React.js or ReactJS. So initially it was released in May 29, 2013. It is basically used for creating the web application as well as the mobile application. The current version of the React is 16.13.1 that is released on the March 19, 2020. The prerequisite for this course is you have to be the knowledge of HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So in this video series I have divided the topics into two mode, that is basic mode as well as advanced mode. In the basic mode we will discuss the basic feature of the React, and in advanced mode we will discuss for the advanced feature of the React. So in the first phase we will discuss the basic features, that is in the React introduction we will discuss that what is the React and why we use the React and how we will implement this. After that we will configure your application for building the React application. After that we will create a sample application using the React. After we will discuss about the what is the ECMAScript and what is the different versions of the ECMAScript and what is the use ECMAScript in the React based application. After that we will learn that how we will render the elements into the React application. We will also discuss about the JSX, how we will create a code of JSX in React application, and after that we will discuss the main key features of React, that is a component. So we will discuss what is a component, what is the use of the component and why we use the components, and what is the different types of components, that is functional component as well as class components. So we will also demonstrate these components as well. We will also discuss about the props, what is a props, how to validate the different props, and we will also discuss how we can change the state of your application, or how to notify your component that the component value has been changed, or the another component change their values. So we will talk about more for state. After that we will discuss the life cycle of a component, in which the component creation to destruction of the component. In between we will discuss all the phases of the component life cycle. After that we will also discuss the forms. We will create forms, and also we will create events and handle it. After that we will discuss the list, keys, wraps, map and tables. So these are the first phase of the React. That is the only the basic concepts of the React. So we will discuss the concepts as well. We will demonstrate the example too. After that, we will start the advanced features of the React with practical implementation. That is routers, Flux, fragments, high order components, Redux, portals, and animation. These are the advanced React topics. So we will cover these topics in the entire React video series. So I hope you will love it. So thanks for watching. That's it from this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friend group so that the everyone can get the benefit of this free video tutorial series. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.